Hello friends, welcome to Be Mathematician. In today's video, we have an amazing problem of maths to solve, that is solve for x if x raised to 4 is equal to 1 with 8 zeros, that is 100 millions, a huge number. Here as a power of x is 4, that means there are 4 possible values of x which we have to calculate. Come to the solution. First we'll write given as it is, that is x raised to 4 is equal to 1 with 8 zeros. 8 zeros means we can write it as 10 raised to power 8. Therefore, x raised to 4 is equal to 10 raised to 8. Now, this 10 raised to 8 can further be simplified as 100 raised to 4. So, this equation will be x raised to 4 is equal to 100 raised to 4. Take this 100 raised to 4 on left hand side, we get x raised to 4 minus 100 raised to 4 is equal to 0. Further, we can write it as x square whole square minus 100 square whole square is equals to 0. It is similar to a square minus b square, so we can apply here the difference of squares formula, that is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So this will be x square minus 100 square into x square plus 100 square is equal to 0. That is, we can write x square minus 100 square is equal to 0, or x square plus 100 square is equal to 0. Let's solve them separately. We get x square is equal to, this minus 100 square will become plus 100 square on right hand side. By taking square root on both the sides, we can write x is equal to plus or minus 100. Hence, we got two values of x, that are 100 and minus 100. Similarly, this equation can be solved. We can write it as x square is equal to negative 100 square. By taking square root on both the sides, we get x is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 100 square. We know square root of minus 1 is nothing but imaginary number, that is iota. So this will be plus or minus square root of minus 1 into square root of 100 square. So in place of square root of minus 1, we write I, and square root gets cancelled. So it will be x is equal to plus or minus I into 100. Again, we got two values of x, that are I into 100, and second one is x is equal to minus I into 100. Hope you liked my explanation. Let's write all the four values of x, that are x is equal to 100, x is equal to minus 100, x is equal to 100i, and x is equal to minus 100i. There are two real solutions and two imaginary solutions of given problem. Lastly, I have DIY homework problem for practice. Take it as x raised to power 4 is equal to 10,000, or 1 with 4 zeros. And you have to calculate all the four possible values of x. Here the hint is, write 10,000 as 10 to the power 4. Repeat the same steps and you will get the answer. Solve it and comment your answer below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.